channel. Me and Angelica are in Greece. We had a little bit of a, what would you call it? Yeah, we had a little bit of a mishap while getting here. Our flight was delayed 3 hours, so we missed our ferry to Amorgos, but it ended up being a happy mistake because we got to spend the night with Anna and Desfina in their hometown of Theva. It was incredible. We got to hang out with Anna's mom, and she made us the most amazing food. I don't remember all the names, but I'll include pictures of it. And then we got to go over to Desfina's house and make domodakia with her mom, and it was so much fun. When you roll the domodakia, it's just like a burrito. So me and Jel were pros at it. And then we went out to dinner and had some drinks with Anna, Thanasis, her boyfriend, Desfina, and Thanasis' friend. And now we've slept probably a total of 8 hours in the past 2 days because we had to wake up early to get onto this train to get down to Piraeus, because we're gonna take the ferry this morning to Amorgos to meet up with Alex, who me and Jel both met during our yoga teacher training in Bali. And yeah, we're just super tired, but very excited and super happy to be back in my favorite country, and I think Jel's favorite country too. Delia. Made it on the ferry. Almost fell. Okay, we finally made it to Amorgos, and we had already checked into the hotel, but we wanted to get to the beach. So now I'm gonna give you a tour of the hotel we're staying at. We're staying at Pension Maruso, and it's located in the town of Chora, which is a really cute town. It's where our friends are staying, so I will give you the tour now. Recorded our first take of this mystery liquid that we got on check-in. Look how cute. They gave us 2 shot glasses and this cute dish. We didn't know what it was, but since I wasn't recording, now I do know what it was, and it's liquor. So I think this was supposed to happen so we could take another shot. Alrighty. Yamas.
Yamas. It's so good. So good.
I beg to differ.
I give you food, but you let me pet you.
Oh!
You let me pet you after. You let me pet you. You have to. Yes. Yes.
Hey guys, another great day in Amorgos. Me and Jel just got dressed for dinner, And I think the rest of the group is still getting ready, so we're gonna walk around the little, oh yeah, this way. We're gonna walk around the little town. We're literally right next to it, so this hotel is 10 out of 10 when it comes to location. But yeah, we're just gonna get some dinner. It's 9/11 here. We ate dinner at like 11 p.m. last night, but that's what you do when you're in Southern Europe. And yeah, excited for our second day. Tomorrow we leave to Koufonisia on a ferry that leaves at 7 p.m. I think this way. But yeah, just been so happy to be back in Greece. Yeah, super grateful, super happy.
I don't feel like eating after.
Okay, we just finished swimming at this beautiful swimming spot. It's basically like a bunch of rocks, and you just find a little place to lay down on. And now we're gonna go up. Where is it? You can't see it, but it's basically up here. We're gonna drive up there on the scooters to go visit the church, to check it out. Apparently there's some really great views, and it was a place that was recommended to us from both Alex and Anna, so excited to do that. Alex and Jel are gonna come meet me here. I was just throwing something away. But yeah, super good swim sesh. I went out to one of the rocks and did a backflip off of it, so I was pretty proud of myself. It was just me, myself, and I, so I hyped myself up to do that, and I did it, so high five to me. Ham and cheese pastries, and they're very good. Okay, Alex, what is this?
Galactopuric.
Oh my god. Is it okay if you're on the vlog, Nico? Are you so excited? This was Nico's request. I'm excited too. And tonight, we dine in hell! Okay, we just got to the room. This is it. A little 3-sleeper for me, Jellica and Alex. But check out our view. It's amazing. Maresi Poli. Hey guys, first full day in Koufonisia. I'm a little hung today, if I'm being completely honest, but it's fine. We're going to the beach. It's supposed to have the best beaches here. I'm with Jellica. Alex is gonna. Oh, there she is. Alex is gonna meet us in a little bit. This island is my favorite because it's walkable, so you don't need a scooter, you don't need a car. So yeah, I love that. But yeah, I'm gonna go to the beach. It's supposed to be really beautiful. I brought my GoPro, so I can't wait to show you guys the beaches here in Koufonisia.
It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. I feel it radiating.
Okay, first bite of octopus in my life.
Alex's face in the back.
I like. Would
How could you
recommend.
not like?
We're going on a boat. I was going to the wrong boat. We're actually going over here. Next, Joe.
Naxos.
Oh yeah.
Woo!
But first, ferry time.
War.
War.
War.